Next thing is the floor joist. Some GRKs into the original house, and then I went along and I marked our studs. It's a little off on this first one, not 16 on the first one, because I wanted to match the bays. That way we continue it all the way down and we don't have a small bay to get plumbing through, because that would not be fun. And then on top over here on this outer wall, I went ahead, I scribed a line for the rim joist on the outside. That way we know what our lengths are for the floor joists. To make this easier on myself, I'm gonna hang a scrap 2x4 here along this edge on that top plate, just so I can throw the floor joists up there, and then they can just rest there while I work. All right, I got some floor joists prepped up there, and I'm gonna have my stuff up here on the scaffold. I'm gonna cut up there, just working by myself. I'm gonna mark it on our line that I already pre-marked, and then I'll cut it up there. Should be the easiest process rather than like measuring, coming down, cutting. So yeah, they're a bit long, so let's get after it. All right, guys, so floor joist all up, rim joist locked in, and just removed my support there for the joist on the house. I'm gonna go ahead and put joist hangers on these now, lock those in there. Then we can start getting some flooring up. Really wanted to just get all the sheathing down today, and then tomorrow I'm gonna have some help, which will be nice for the second story floor, and hopefully we can bang it out, get the roof done, be super efficient on the time. Obviously I'll have to do some more prep and stripping, so we're gonna lose a little bit of time there, but hey, maybe I can get that done today if I get to it. So gotta put those joist hangers up. We're just gonna squeeze them in so they're kind of like the shape of the board, not a V, and then just slap in those two prongs. Those will hold them in. Come back, fill those nails up. All right, so last night I laid down a few pieces of flooring. We just got all of it up here. Next morning, we're gonna finish the run right here. And we are just using liquid nails. We're just nailing on the marked spaces on the boards. It tells you where to nail, it's simple enough. All right, so we just got the subflooring done. Liquid nails down, ring shank siding nails for the floor. Looks nice and pretty. It'll be a solid floor for sure. This is rated 24 on center. We're doing 16 on center. Looks pretty darn good. I don't know why I didn't record. But yeah, all set. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna start ripping off all this siding, and that will expose it so we can attach our walls, figure out our slope of our roof, and then we'll start getting to walls. Got the windows to frame out, all that, the whole deal. We'll show it to you when it comes up. Let's go.